Hello guys, you're welcome to wonderful video today. So please, if you just joining this channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So like the video so you can see more content like this, and also make sure you subscribe to see more content like this on my channel. All right guys, so today I want to show you guys how you can sell your coins, maybe USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, DAI, or Naira. I want to show you guys how you can sell that on Binance. So this is Binance P2P. First of all, you have to come to trades and click P2P, and this stuff appears. So you can buy or you can sell. All right. So, but this time around, I want to buy. So, you're going to see red colors around. So always make sure you look at the stuff, make sure it's well refreshed, or you can click on your Google Chrome refresh button right here. So right now I have a lot of sellers right there, a lot of buyers rather. These ones are buying from me. I'm the one selling, right? So you know the drill. First of all, what you're looking at is you're looking at prices. Okay, so but for me, I'll just advise you, do not look at price. Price should be the last thing in your mind. But I know you want to sell at some certain price, right? So, but if you're selling small coin, don't look at price. But if you're selling above maybe 50, maybe $500, you should look at price, because this price margin do not really mean. So, but first of all, the thing you're looking at is safety. Safety matters a lot. So you want to save, you want to transact with safe person. So now you can see this guy here. His name is Real Estate. You can see zero order, no completion. This guy is, I don't think I would trade with this guy. So this guy is a newbie. Okay. This guy might be a newbie. All right. So you can see his limit. The limit you can send to him is 50K, and he has 9,600 and whatever USDT available. So remember, this is USDT. This is sell. This is has to be on in there. All right. So now look at this guy. He has 4 orders. Meanwhile, he has completed about 3% of them. I'm not looking at this guy. So I'm looking at somebody who has done a lot of orders. So look at this guy right here. He has about 170 orders and has finished 98%. That's close to 100%. So this guy will go for this guy, and you can do a limit of 1,000 naira with him. That's beautiful. So let's click on, we want to sell our USDT to this guy. So you can see his price is 516. So in this case, we're gonna put the amount we want to sell to this guy. So let's say we want to sell, okay, the lowest he can take is 1,000. So let's say we want to go for $30. Let me use $30 for this video. So now you can read the terms and condition. Make sure you read the terms and condition and see, ignore if terms blah 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 blah. If you must provide the correct Nigerian phone number, acceptable network are MTN, Glo, Airtel, and 9Mobile only. So you can just read. Everybody has their own rules, so, and the rules are kind of similar to Binance rules. So now if I want to sell 30 USDT to him, I'm going to receive 15,418 naira. All right, so I'm going to select payment method. So I'm doing this for the first time on this my Binance account. So this is like my dummy Binance account. This is why I do all the video for you guys. So I do find it sometimes just to do videos. So now I'm just going to click on that. So I'm going to add my payment method. So, but first of all, I'm just going to wait for this stuff to finish loading. And now look at the payment P2P payment method. When you sell cryptocurrency, payment will be address, blah, blah, blah. Guys, read all this stuff. All right. So what they're trying to say here is make sure the payment name the account number you're putting is the account number that is related to that same name you use in registering your Binance. So that's saying if you use BVN, make sure it's that same name on your BVN. All right. So even though the name is Adebisi Nuru Emeka, but on your BVN it is Emeka Adebisi Nuru. It does not really mean, so hence it has that same name. All right. So that's cool. So now let's add a payment method. So just gonna add payment method, and now the same payment method. Do I want it on my fiat balance? So do I want this payment method on my fiat balance, So when that person pays, it goes straight up to my fiat balance. So but now, due to the nature of how things looks like CBN, whatever, whatever, I don't want to put it, yeah, I just want it directly to my bank transfer, right? So I'm just going to click on bank transfer. That means whosoever is paying me cash will have to pay me with bank transfer. So it goes straight up to my bank. And yeah, so P2P, whenever you place your sell order, whenever you want to sell, make sure you are online, all right? Make sure you are online. So you can see my name written above. I'm going to hide this stuff so you guys don't see my full name. And I'm going to put my account number right here. I'm going to put my bank name, and option, I'm going to put my bank branch, which is optional, but I'm not going to put that if I want to. So you can see the tips when you sell your cryptocurrency. The added payment method will be shown to your buyer during the transaction. To accept cash transfer, please make sure the information is correct. So make sure all your information, like I said, your name is already highlighted here by Binance. You just have to put your account number, your bank name. So remember, you can add more than one payment. So guys, see you on the other side of this video after I finish adding my. So guys, why you have added your account, you've added your bank account, next thing you want to do is to come to your fiat and spot wallet. So to detect that, you just come to wallet and click fiat and spot. All this appears, and you want to click on transfer. All right, so now you want to transfer. It depends where your USDT or whatever coin you want to sell is at the moment. So mine is on my fiat and spot wallet, which we know if you deposit, and most of everything happens in the fiat and spot. It's called spot because it's active. This is the most active wallet, and you just have to click on transfer. All right. So now you can see from you want to make internal transfer, which is free on Binance, and you just click on fiat and spot to. Now you look for P2P. All right. So you click on P2P now. Which coin do you want to transfer? So we want to transfer USDT, right? So I'm going to look for USDT right here and transfer USDT. So this is USDT at the bottom. So now I've done this. So this is my available one, $959 worth of USDT, or 959 USDT. So I'm just gonna click on 30. So I'm just gonna click on 30 because really I want to buy 30, right? So I want to sell 30, right? So I'm just gonna click on confirm. So boom, it's gonna be transferred straight up to my P2P. Then from P2P I can actually proceed and buy some Bitcoin. All right. So right now I just have to check my P2P wallet. Come to P2P right here. I click on my P2P to see if my P2P wallet has been credited with, of course, $30. So that means I can now sell this. Binance is going to take this and give it to whosoever bought it, whosoever paid money to my account I just added. So I'm going to show you guys from that side. I'm going to show you guys what you will do next after you have added your account and after you have transferred your coin to your P2P wallet. So right, P2P wallet right now. I'm just going to open this now. You can see it is filled up with $30. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Stick to the end of this video to see more. All right. So guys, at the moment, what you have to do right now is that you can now come to you can now buy. So now what you have done is you have added your payment method, and you have transferred your cash to your peer-to-peer account. So you've transferred your USDT to your peer-to-peer account, the USDT you want to sell. So right now, I found on my screen, these are the best rates, but these best rates we can see right here are not the kind of method of payment I added. So this is mobile top-up. This guy said he can pay through cash deposits. This one said cash deposit, Momo, PayPal, while these other ones are mobile top up. So I have to tune to the other side. I have to keep going, keep searching. I have to keep searching, then look for the other. Okay, I have to just click on this. So look for those that can accept bank transfer, and see how much they can pay me for bank transfer. So this guy is saying 470, this other one is saying 470. So all of them here is saying 470. I'm going to go for 470. All right, I'll go for 470 and see the one that's good. So this one has managed about 860 orders and has delivered 95% completion, and its lowest is 1 million naira. I'm not going to go for that one. So I'm going to look for this one is cool. He has done one order and everything is 100%. I'm not going to go for him, just one order. I'm going to just keep searching for somebody that has done favorably well, and just going to click on next to see. So, but the more I click on next, the more the price reduces. So, but I don't care. I just want to show you guys how you can do this stuff so easily. So, more bank transfer options are showing. I just have to go for somebody that can take below 10,000 naira, and we are cool because we are selling about $30. So none of them at this point, and I just have to click on next again. So you can see it's hard to find somebody to buy than actually somebody to sell. So you can see that a lot of people are just buying more cryptos and keeping them. So still looking for that smaller amount. Still looking for that smaller amount with your bank transfer option. So I just have to keep going until I see that smaller amount. Guys, so remember, what's very important is the number of completion, and the number of completion really matters a lot. So you won't deal with a newbie. If you see somebody with just 10 orders, just know that person is a newbie. All right. So all right. So now, right, yeah, I just find somebody with 10,000 naira limit, and he has about 11,000 USDT available. His rate is 468, and he has pretty nice background. I think 195, 1,905 orders, and he has completed 97. That's good. And yes, he's also accepting bank transfer, and it is bank transfer method I put as my payment. So I'm just going to click on sell USDT, and you can see now they want me to select my bank transfer mode, which I'm going to select one of them. And okay, let me select this one. I'm just going to select this one, and I want to sell. I'm just going to impute $30, and you're going to see I'm going to receive about 14,000 naira. So instead of if others are selling for higher rate, I'm going to receive about 15,000 naira. But right here it's 14,000 naira because of his rate. So, and if I'm cool with all this stuff, please provide Kuda Bank for fast transaction. That's one of his terms and conditions, but I don't have Kuda Bank. I have, of course, I have Zenith Bank. So I'm just going to click on sell USDT, and on order is going to be created. You can see successfully placed an order. So once I've done that, I'm just going to wait for that person. I'm just going to wait for Binance to inform that person, and then yeah, of course, I'm going to get paid very soon. So all right, so my account is displayed at the moment, and for him, so my account is displayed at the moment. He's going to pay through this account. So I'm just going to be ready to receive payment, and also payment to be made by buyer in the next. He has about 44 minutes to make payment, and yeah, his name is okay. I don't have to disclose his name. Okay, so it's connecting. So I just have to wait for him to pay me, and we can move on. So I'm just going to wait until I get paid. Okay, guys, this was so fast. I just received payment from this particular person, and exactly for 14,014 naira. I'm going to click on confirm release because I've received this payment. All right, so I've confirmed the person's name and also confirmed the amount he paid. So I'm just going to click on confirm release. So right now I've sent the payment. So, but now if I've received the payment and I refuse to sell this, that person send this, that person is going to click on appeal, and it's going to be a big trouble for both of us. And at the end of the day, when Binance find out, because they're going to ask us to print our account statement, of course, Binance will persecute me. So now you can see I just have to click on I have confirmed this other payment, blah blah blah. So confirm release. So that was fast. That was fast, guys. So now you see how long it took me to actually sell my stuff and perform. I'm going to put my Google Authenticator to be very sure. Binance wants to be very sure I'm the one doing this stuff right here. So they are going to authenticate me. Mine, I use Google Authenticator. So yes, you can use SMS verification or whatever means you use. So order has been marked as paid. I'm done doing this deal. Yeah, I'm okay. I just sold my 30 USDT. So guys, I did it in front of your face. Thank you for watching, and I can go back. I can just leave this place and do another transaction, right? So guys, yeah, this is how you can do it. Simply how you can sell your stuff on P2P. So you have to be careful. You see how I made this video very slow, and I want you guys to get the insight, because P2P is a nice platform, but if you go there and you don't do things the right way, or you're in a rush, and at the end of the day you could see the rate at which I'm selling is not the rate I really love to, but I appreciate it because it's still a good rate, and at the end of the day I just sold my coin. So please guys, subscribe to this channel, make sure you like this video, and also drop a comment. So all this stuff helps my YouTube channel, so I can be encouraged and give you more content like this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Love you all.